day 20, and we are abandoning the, categories because I'm running out of Brinks and I'm running out of Euros. So just 7 random ones. 8 will still be wild card. And let's go. Hey. 8. Wild card. You guys are familiar with the Wall of Shame. There's also where my cuffs hang out. And then there's the boss battle locks over here. I think we'll go with this nice little Waterbury brass US Army with, look at that key. Yeah, this is up here because I know it's beyond my skills, but hell, here we go. Okay, here we are. Mid pick. Using a 40 thousandths top of the keyway because 50 thousandths is too big. 40 thousandths feels too loose, but I don't have a 45. I'm using one of my thinnest picks, multi-pick, because this keyway is paracentric. This is a tough little booger. That's why it was a boss battle lock. I feel like I'm getting just totally muffled feedback. That's a nice click. So is that. All right. US Waterbury with air. I'll show you the keyway. Yeah, that's the keyway. Using like my thinnest pick, and it's still hard to, between that piece of warding and that piece of warding, to get any real feedback when you're pushing up against the pins because it's so tight. Here we are with the ViperTech Save the Day for a 3rd time. Pick a single, orange side, pick it. Picked. And the Wall of Shame grows and the bucket stays hungry. Have a good one. See y'all next time. Outro. This is the mother... Well, let's keep this PG. This is the mother humping outro. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you all have a very nice day.